the top 5 luxury motor yachts from Horizon Yachts. Ever dreamt of cruising the ocean in a floating palace? Horizon Yachts makes that dream a reality. These aren't just boats, they are luxury homes that glide across the sea. Whether you're seeking speed, comfort, or the ultimate party pad, Horizon has a yacht that'll make you feel like the king or the queen of the ocean. So grab your captain's hat and let's explore the top 5 motor yachts from Horizon that are making waves around the world. This is Roxanne and welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Meet the V74, the sports car of the sea. The sleek yacht is like a cheetah on the water, powered by twin-man V8 engines, roaring with 1,200 horsepower each. Imagine zipping across the ocean at a thrilling 30 knots or 55.6 kilometers per hour, leaving others in your wake. At 74 feet long or 22.6 meters, the V74 is perfect for those who crave adventure without giving up luxury. With room for 8 passengers, you can invite your friends to join the fun and make some waves. Inside, the V74 is as elegant as it is fast. Picture yourself lounging in spacious cabins with panoramic windows that bring the sea right to your doorstep. The salon is cozy, yet stylish, and the galley is fully equipped with gourmet meals. With a fuel capacity of 1,500 gallons or 5,678 liters, you won't have to worry about pit stops anytime soon. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a day trip, the V74 makes every journey unforgettable. This beauty of the ocean can be yours for a starting price of $3.2 million. Next up is the E75, the yacht that wears elegance like a tailored suit. Think of it as the Rolls-Royce of the sea. Classy, comfy, and built to impress. With twin Caterpillar C18 engines producing 1,150 horsepower each, the E75 cruises smoothly at 25 knots or 46.3 kilometers per hour. It's perfect for those who like to take life at a relaxed pace, enjoying the journey as much as the destination. At 74 feet 6 inches long or 22.7 meters, it's spacious enough for family vacations or hosting your closest friends. Step inside and you'll find interiors that rival 5-star hotels. Plush seating, fine wood finishes, and large windows make it feel like a luxury apartment floating on water. There's room for 8 guests to sleep comfortably, so overnight trips are a breeze. The flybridge offers a fantastic spot to soak up the sun or gaze at the stars. With a fuel capacity of 1,800 gallons or 6,814 liters, the E75 is ready for extended adventures. If you're looking to combine style and comfort on the open sea, the E75 awaits you at a starting price of $3.5 million. The FD80 is like your dream home, but it floats. This yacht is all about space and luxury, offering more room than some people's houses. With twin-man V8 1,200 engines, each delivering 1,200 horsepower, the FD80 cruises at a comfy 24 knots or 44.4 kilometers per hour. At over 80 feet long, or 24.57 meters, and with a beam of 23 feet, or 7 meters, it's perfect for larger families or those who love to entertain. Imagine throwing a party where the ocean is your dance floor. Inside, the FD80 feels like a luxury hotel. There's a space for 10 guests to sleep snugly, with lavish cabins and ensuite bathrooms. The main salon features floor-to-ceiling windows, so you never miss a moment of the stunning views. Fancy a dip? There's even a jacuzzi on deck, with a fuel capacity of 2,400 gallons or 9,085 liters. This yacht is ready for longer voyages. Whether you're cruising the coastline or exploring distant islands, the FD80 lets you do it in style. If you want to combine comfort, space, and a touch of extravagance, the FD80 is available starting at $5 million. Coming in at number 2 is the FD90. A yacht so luxurious, it might make your house jealous. Think of it as a floating mansion, complete with all the amenities you could wish for. Powered by twin Caterpillar C32 engines, each with 1,600 horsepower, the FD90 cruises at a leisurely 20 knots, or 37 kilometers per hour. At 90 feet long, or 27.43 meters, it's designed for those who believe bigger is better. With space for 12 guests, you can bring the whole crew along for the adventure. The interiors are nothing short of spectacular. Imagine waking up in a master suite with panoramic ocean views or dining in a room that feels like a fancy restaurant. The FD90 offers multiple lounges, a sky deck, and even a beach club area at the back. With a massive fuel capacity of 3,480 gallons or 13,173 liters, this yacht is ready for long journeys to exotic destinations. If you're ready to live large in the high seas and make memories that last a lifetime, the FD90 can be yours starting at $9.4 million. Before showing our top pick, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss the next one. At the top of our list is the FD108, the crown jewel of Horizon Yachts. This isn't just a yacht, it's a palace on the water. Powered by twin Cat C32 Assert engines, each producing a whopping 1,900 horsepower, the FD108 sails gracefully at 21 knots or 39 kilometers per hour, measuring 108 feet or 32.9 meters in length. This yacht is for those who want nothing but the best. With room for 12 guests, it's perfect for grand voyages or hosting the most exclusive parties. Step aboard and you'll be amazed by the opulent interiors. From marble floors to custom-designed furnishings, every detail screams luxury. There's a full-beam master suite, VIP cabins, and guest suites, all designed to 5-star hotel standards. Outdoor spaces include expansive decks, a sky lounge, and even an outdoor cinema where you can watch movies under the stars. With a colossal fuel capacity of 4,500 gallons or 17,034 liters, the FD108 is ready to take you wherever your heart desires. If you're ready to rule the seas and live like royalty, the FD108 is available with a reported starting price of $12.9 million US. So there you have it, the top 5 luxury motor yachts from Horizon Yachts. Each one is a masterpiece of design and engineering, offering something special for those who love the sea. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a luxury seeker, or someone who wants to bring the whole family along, there's a Horizon yacht that's perfect for you. So why just dream about it? The ocean is calling, and with these yachts, you can answer in style.